Is your appointment scheduling feeling more like a chaotic juggling act than a smooth, streamlined process? You're not alone. For a lot of small business owners, entrepreneurs, and even larger teams, finding the right scheduling tool can feel like searching for a mythical creature. Maybe you've tried Acuity Scheduling, and while it's certainly a popular choice, you're left wondering, is that all there is? Is there something more out there that could truly revolutionize how you manage your time and connect with your clients? Think about it. How much time do you currently spend going back and forth with emails, trying to nail down the perfect meeting slot? How many no-shows or last-minute cancellations disrupt your carefully planned day? And what about the missed opportunities? Those potential clients who get frustrated with a clunky booking process and simply move on. These aren't just minor inconveniences. They're real drains on your productivity and your bottom line. The truth is, in today's fast-paced digital world, your scheduling system isn't just a utility, it's a crucial touchpoint with your audience. It's often the very first interaction a potential client has with your business. And just like a first impression, it can either pave the way for a successful relationship or create an immediate barrier. Acuity Scheduling has been a go-to for many, and for good reason. It offers a solid set of features: customizable booking pages, automated reminders, integration with various calendars, and payment processing. It addresses many of the fundamental needs of online scheduling. But what if your needs extend beyond the basics? What if you're looking for a scheduling solution that not only manages appointments but also actively contributes to your business growth? What if you crave a system that offers deeper customization, more robust integrations, and a truly seamless experience for both you and your clients? That's the question we're diving into today. What's better than Acuity Scheduling? It's not about saying Acuity is bad. It's about exploring the landscape of scheduling tools and uncovering options that might be a better fit for your specific needs and aspirations. So, where do we even begin this exploration? Well, let's think about some of the common pain points and desires that often lead people to look beyond Acuity. Maybe you're struggling with branding. While Acuity offers some customization, you might find it limiting when it comes to truly reflecting your unique brand identity. Perhaps you want a booking page that feels like a natural extension of your website, with more control over the design and user experience. Or maybe you're looking for more advanced automation. Beyond basic email reminders, you might need workflows that trigger specific actions based on appointment types, client behavior, or even integration with your CRM or marketing automation tools. Imagine a system that automatically sends follow-up questionnaires, adds clients to specific email lists, or even generates personalized thank you notes. Then there's the realm of integrations. While Acuity connects with many popular platforms, you might have a specific tech stack that requires more niche or deeper integrations. Perhaps you need seamless synchronization with a less common calendar app, a specific payment gateway with lower fees, or a direct link to your project management software. Collaboration and team scheduling can also be a sticking point. If you have a growing team, you might need more sophisticated features for managing multiple schedules, assigning appointments based on availability or expertise, and tracking team performance. And let's not forget the user experience, both for you and your clients. Is the interface intuitive and easy to navigate? Does it look professional and trustworthy? A clunky or outdated booking process can deter potential clients and create unnecessary frustration for your team. These are just some of the areas where alternative scheduling tools might shine. So, let's take a look at some of the contenders and what makes them stand out. One platform that often enters this conversation is Calendly. Known for its simplicity and ease of use, Calendly has gained immense popularity, especially for individuals and smaller teams. Its straightforward interface allows you to quickly create meeting slots and share them with others. While it might not have the extensive customization options of some other platforms, its focus on frictionless scheduling is a major draw for many. The ability to set up various meeting types with specific durations and availability rules is incredibly efficient. Then there's Setmore, which often appeals to service-based businesses like salons, spas, and fitness studios. It offers features tailored to these industries, such as recurring appointments, class scheduling, and point-of-sale integrations. If your business revolves around managing a physical location and a team of service providers, Setmore's industry-specific features could be a significant advantage. For those seeking a more all-in-one business management solution that includes scheduling, platforms like Honeybook and Dubsado often come into play. These tools go beyond just booking appointments, offering features like invoicing, contract management, client communication portals, and workflow automation. While they might have a steeper learning curve than dedicated scheduling apps, the ability to manage multiple aspects of your business within a single platform can be incredibly powerful for streamlining operations and enhancing the client experience. On the more advanced end of the spectrum, you might find platforms like Chili Piper. Often favored by sales and marketing teams, Chili Piper focuses on optimizing the lead conversion process through intelligent routing and instant booking. Imagine a scenario where a potential client fills out a form on your website, and Chili Piper automatically qualifies them and connects them with the right sales representative for an immediate meeting. This level of sophisticated automation can significantly impact your sales pipeline. Another noteworthy option is SimplyBook.me, which boasts a wide range of customizable features and integrations, catering to a diverse array of businesses. From appointment scheduling and online payments to service add-ons and promotional tools, SimplyBook.me offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to help businesses grow. Its multilingual capabilities and extensive customization options make it a strong contender for businesses with international clients or highly specific needs. And let's not forget about the rise of more niche or industry-specific scheduling tools. For healthcare professionals, there are platforms like Practice Fusion or Halaxy that integrate scheduling with electronic health records and patient management. For educators and tutors, tools like Learnist or Teachable often include scheduling features alongside course management and payment processing. Exploring options tailored to your specific industry can often reveal solutions that address your unique challenges more effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.